going on, y'all? Today we're gonna do a review. I call this review part 2 bars. This is called the DOKEHOM laundry bag. I already did one review. That's why I say it's the second review. The first review was a different DOKEHOM bag. It was the same bag but a different size. The first bag was 160 liters. It was light gray. I can leave a link in the description so I can look at it. And it basically was too big for me. I didn't like it. It was too big in size, pause. And it was light gray. I didn't like the color. I thought the color would go good with the bathroom, but I was like, nah, it looks too matchy. And the most important thing about why I disliked it was too big. Pause again. But this one, I got a feeling that this is gonna be better. It's smaller. It's 90 liters. The last one I had was 160 liters. So without further ado, we're gonna open this, and then I'll let you know what I feel about it. Black, man. Black. Everything gotta be black. I got all black on for this occasion. You heard me? Black watch, everything black, man. Keep it simple, you know? But I like it already. I get it, man. I just looked at it through the wrapper and I'm like, yeah, I like it. You know? I definitely like it, man. Smaller. Way better. The size is way better. It's way smaller. And it's a better size. Whoa, I got a stain on it though. Hold on. Hold up. Let me show y'all the stain on it. It's crazy. Got a stain on it. Look, as soon as I open it, it got a stain on it. You see this? Could I pull it out? It's like cat hair or something. It's like cat hair or something. I think I could just pull it off though. Look, y'all see that? Fresh out the package, it got a little stain on it or whatever. But it's cat hair, it comes off easily. But it looks used. Got cat hair on it, look like gum. It comes off, it's coming off easy though. I could just wipe it off, whatever the case may be. But this should not be the case, especially since I just opened the package. You know? Especially since I just opened the package. I'm not gonna. It's probably a cat hair. I probably got allergies. I probably allergic to cat or something. But yeah, man, it's not coming fully off. I can try wiping it down or whatever later on, but yeah. It's smaller, but I don't wash that much clothes, you know. This is like 2 weeks of clothes right here. Put 2 weeks of clothes in here. And yeah, it's definitely better. It's smaller, more foldable. They say the bag is foldable, but I really don't even think that it's foldable. What I call foldable is this mesh bag I have. This mesh, this is foldable. I'll show you what I'm talking about. They say it's foldable. Like, I'm gonna fold it up for you. I'm gonna fold this bag up and show y'all what I'm talking about. This is how you fold this bag up, like this. That's what they call foldable.
No.
Not really. I don't call it foldable, but they do. But with this bag, this mesh bag, of course, it's more of a flimsy type of material. But look how better this folds. That's how you fold it. I was tweaking before. More thinner, whatever the case may be. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna see how big this is. Pause. I'm gonna see if this can fit in here. I don't think this can fit in here. So the mesh bag, really can't fit the mesh bag in there. So I'm gonna just keep this for my dirty clothes. And I'm gonna put my shower curtain in here. I gotta wash this anyway. My shower liner in here. Just so I can give y'all an idea how big it is. Of course. Yeah, okay. So, show you how much room is in here. Decent amount of room. I definitely like this one better than the other one though. It's less bulky than the other one. Again, I'm gonna leave the video up above so y'all can click on the link and see for yourself. Y'all already know what to do though. It really ain't nothing new though, man. Consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell notification.